Thinking of getting the Rode Videomic Go 2? In this video I'm going to share with you 10 features of the new Videomic Go that you should consider before you buy. Let's go! Now in this video I'm going to do a test as well. So in between shot I'm going to do some cutting between the audio on the Videomic Go right here and the actual voiceover. So I'll do two types. One is the shotgun position and one is for the voiceover. Both are very close to my mouth. Right now I'm only around 30 centimeters. Just above my head right here is where the Videomic Go is. Okay, so it's a shotgun style. Let's see how it goes. How's the sound quality coming out of this? Leave me down a comment if you can notice the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna switch between cameras. Okay, cameras and audio. First thing is the size and weight. Just 150 millimeter long and weighing a mere 89 grams. The Videomic Go 2 is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you anywhere. It is a perfect for use with compact cameras and mobile recording rigs, as well as on a tripod or studio arm on a desktop. Number 2. Acoustic design and polar pattern. The Videomic Go 2 features the same annular line tube technology as a hugely popular Videomic NTG and NTG5 professional shotgun microphones. This revolutionary acoustic design gives the Videomic Go 2 a very rich, full-body sound and that will instantly improve the audio of your camera, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Being a shotgun microphone with a super cardioid polar pattern, it is highly directional, meaning that it clearly picks up sound from in front while sound to the side and rear are reduced. It can also pick up sound from further away from the microphone while remaining present and clarity. Testing the Rode Videomic Go. This is the front on view shotgun. So how's the sound? I'm just testing the rejection. So I'm going to move to the side right now. So is it hearing me? Now to move to the back. Hopefully there's no noise, handling noise. I don't have the actual shock mount, so see how it goes. Right now you just hear me, I'm directly in front of it. So you should hear me very loud and clear. Okay, move to the side now. Okay, move to the back slowly. Hopefully there's no rattling noise. I'm still talking to the camera. Okay, how's that sound? Okay, now move back to me. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Number 3. High quality shock mount. The Videomic Go 2 comes with an SM8R, a highly quality shock mount that provides excellent isolation from external knocks, bumps, and other movement that may cause unwanted rumble vibration in the microphone. Simply clip the Videomic Go onto the shock mount using the arrows on the body as a guide. Shock mount features a cold chute for mounting onto cameras and other devices, as well as a 3/8 thread for mounting it into a boom pole, tripod, microphone stand, or studio arm. Number 4. Pro cable management. The SM8R shock mount features a handy cable management system for keeping your setup neat and tidy. It has 4 slots to accommodate different cable types, including standard TRS cable, flat cable like the included SC14, and large USB cable like the SC17. Number 5. A sliding rail, so you can customize to your liking. The SM8R shock mount also features a sliding rail for precise positioning of the microphone. This is particularly useful when using the Videomic Go 2 with a cameras, as well as it allows you to slide it forward so it's not block the viewfinder, or slide it back if it's in frame. Simply loosen the screw to slide the microphone back or forward to its rail and tighten again to secure it in place. Number 6. Powering the Videomic Go 2. There's no power. The Videomic Go 2 runs off plug-in power, which is provided by the device it is connected to, whether it is a camera, smartphone or tablet or computer. This means that no batteries are required to operate, but it must be connected to a compatible device either via the 3.0mm output or USB output to power on. Number 7. The level peaking light only works in USB mode. The Videomic Go 2 features a level peak warning LED which is located next to the USB output. This will flash red when the input level is too loud and clipping the microphone internal preamp, which will result in distorted audio if your signal is clipping. Turn the input gain level down or activate the pad using Rode Connect or Rode Central. Note, this functionality is only available when using the microphone in USB mode. Number 8. Using the Videomic Go with a camera. The Videomic Go is a plug and play. No need to charge a battery. Just using the camera to plug in power. You just set the right audio level in the camera and you are good to go. Simple setup and you can achieve great results. Number 9. The USB output. The Videomic Go 2 also has a USB-C output for connecting to a smartphone, tablets, or computers. It is class-compliant USB device, meaning you don't need driver or software for it to work. Simply plug it into your device, set it as your input source in your system preference or recording software, and hit record. Using the USB output also allows the 3.5mm output to be used as a headphone output for monitoring your audio. Number 10. Access to Rode free apps like Reporter and Video Central. Now, this feature only works with the USB plug. You can access the Rode free app like Rode Central and Rode Reporter. This allows you to access to the high pass filter, the low pass filter, and a 20 dB pad for recording loud sources. And this one is a bonus one. It's only $99 US. A bargain for a USB on-camera mic with this sound quality. Did you get any value from this video? Can you hear a difference? If you have, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, check out this video right here to learn more about setting up a boom mic or how do you set up a boom mic easily. Check it out here. So did you catch which one are from the mic and which one are from the voiceover? Okay, did you catch it? Leave me a comment down below and I'll share with you my answer in the comment below. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.